Sergi Roberto, la pide Suárez, Roberto en el área, la pone Roberto Suárez.
Martial shot! Magic from Martial!
That's a great determined run. He's gone through two of them. This is Insigne! Set up by Hussein. Finished by Insigne. And at 2-0 down, it's difficult to see a way back for Sassuolo.
It's one man, he might do that. Messi and Suarez. Messi! Oh, that's brilliant! Out of nowhere, Messi and Suarez combine, and we're all level at the Mestalla.
Now Rocky Mesa! What a strike! Right on the sweet spot from Rocky Mesa, and you do not say moves.
Ilicic turns, shoots. Ilicic! Ilicic, that left foot is something special.
He's provides it. Can he create? Sends it back to Markovic. Oh, that's a great goal. Slipped square, comes back to Lozano. They can't let him roll inside. The shot again.
This time finds the back of the net from Pablo Rosario. Denied moments ago. This time he finds the back of the net.
Radonjic en retrait pour Payet, c'est bien fait. Payet qui va peut-être pouvoir frapper. Payet qui s'emmène le ballon dans la surface. Dimitri Payet! Et voilà l'ouverture du score de Dimitri Payet ici à Nicosie.
It is Neymar. And it's in! Oh, what a goal! Oh, what a goal from Neymar!
Mahrez tries to bend it. It's a beautiful fourth. The Premier League's great entertainers have put on another show. Di Maria trying to curl one. Absolute top draw. Angel Di Maria has rescued a point for Paris Saint-Germain in stoppage time.
The approach. Oh, it's in the net! It's in the net! It's a wonderful delivery.
Schürrle. Taking on Ariana, getting it shot. Oh, sensational effort from Andre Schürrle to fire Fulham in front. Under pressure at one end, but a moment of magic from Schürrle. Suarez and then chested down to Coutinho. Data still not away. Rakitic onto it. Oh, what a hit! What a goal by Ivan Rakitic! An outrageous volley by Rakitic. It's Spurs 0, Barcelona 2, and that's a special goal.
Den här gången känner det beståndet. Ivan! Vilken mål av Kennedy Bakircioglu!
Attacks the space. Portuguese right back. Suarez was looking to get through to Messi. It's a shot goal. Magnificent hit from Coutinho.
Ronaldo looks up, sees the goal, and fires for the goal. That is top draw from Cristiano Ronaldo. The goal machine is in perfect working order. That's a brilliant goal! What a strike! Wow!
Into half a yard. Aubameyang. Oh, and then Ramsey with the most delightful of finishes. It was only his second touch of the ball after he came on.
flick from Ozil to Guendouzi to Bellerin. Here's Lacazette, back to Ozil. Oh, that's just a sensational goal from Arsenal. Total football. Mesmeric stop, and Emirates Stadium goes absolutely ballistic. That goal oozed class from the very first offing. That was a